Welcome guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm unboxing a new drone. I think one of my viewers made mention of the fact that I should be adding drone views to my videos, and it's going to be nice, and I listened to that. This one here, of course, so it's a gift from a viewer, and it's a drone. So I'm going to unbox it. We're going to open the box to see what is inside the box. Let me bring the camera down a bit. So we're going to see what's inside this box right now. Let me take this one. Let me take the seal off. Let me take the seal off first. So it's from. So we're gonna open. Directly sealed from Amazon Prime Europe. So we have to open it. Let's try and open it. Gonna open. So this is the packaging itself from Amazon Prime, but this one that is coming out is the drone itself. Wow. So we have the drone itself here. It's an HD area drone, 360 rolling, 360-degree rolling, 50x corner shot. Right, so that is it. So that is, we're going to open the content of the drone package itself to see how the drone looks like physically. So we're gonna open the main seal. Let's open it. Open it from this side. Pull it up. So the third level packaging, second level packaging. Second level packaging is coming out. That's the second level packaging. The second level packaging for the drone. It's such a very small item. So let's talk about some of the features here. So we're talking about hand shot, HD camera, optical flow positioning, electronic modulation camera, wireless mode, multi-lens switching, 360-degree rolling, high capacity luxury, flashlight, etc. So that's about it. Let's open to see the drone itself. So light, something hanging up on it. So so that's the drone. You know why it's hanging. So that's the drone itself, and we have the propellers here, and these are extra propellers as well. So let's check beneath. So this is how the underneath looks like. It's more or less like a toy. Very small drone anyway. So that's it. Very small drone. So that's for the drone. So we have the extra propellers here, and then there's a USB cable in this one as well. Now let's take a look at this. There are 2 extra batteries that came with it. From the manual, it can last for 15 minutes in flight. And then this is the control station. It's very tiny. Wow. So it has all the basic functions here. So as a control station, In addition to it, micro SD USB 2.0 came with it. Then there's also an SD card. So that's the SD card. That's the SD card here. 52 gig. So that's 52 gig SD card that came with the drone. Now let me check the it's a 4-axis aircraft instructional manual. So this is the instructional manual here. But there's one thing I need to fix. I think I need to fix this thing that is hanging on top of it. I don't know whether it should be fitted this way, should be fitted this way, or should be fitted that way. But let me get back to the instructional manual and see. So I've managed to fix this thing here. I need to fix that one. Let me fix the battery and see. So that's the battery section. Trying to fix the battery here and see. So fix the battery. See, the battery is inserted now. So I think it needs to be charged. It needs to be charged before it can be used. So you can see it's fully set up now. Now what is left now is for me to try the drone to see, but this looks very small of a drone. It looks like a toy drone anyway. But once it has the functions to fly, I'm sure it's going to be able to fly. Okay, so for now we've unboxed it, and I've been able to fix this thing at the top here. Actually, it wasn't fixed, but I'll be able to fix it now. And the drone is completely set up, but we can't fly it now because but yet I'm sure it's going to be able to fly. So I'm gonna work on that, and I'm gonna test to see how this drone will basically support the quality of the videos that I've been doing. So maybe probably now, if it works well, some of my videos will have area drone shots as well in addition to it, but not everywhere. I'm not going to be flying the drones anywhere at all. It's going to be on specific places where I feel like flying the drone. So here we are. We have a drone here. My drones are not that expensive, maybe depending on the specifications. This is the actual look of the drone now. So I've pulled the various stands. So this eye looks very small and tiny drone, but I hope it's going to do its job as expected. So pretty soon we're going to be adding some drone shots to our videos, but like I said earlier, I'm not going to be flying it anywhere at all. I'm going to test it, and I'm going to show you how good it is. It's M104. It's a very small and affordable drones. The drones are that affordable, very, very affordable. So that is it as a gift. So to the viewer who said I should be adding some drone views as well to my videos I'm gonna do. But like I said, I'm not going to be flying it anywhere like that. See people fly drones. So guys, subscribe, share, comment. We're gonna add some drone views to our videos as well. Let me also check on the remote controller as well. So this is how the remote controller is also like. So you just push these things here. You just push them up. And that is it. So let's see how it goes. You press here, it's coming down. You press here, it goes up. You press here, it's coming down. You press here, it's going up. So it's quite a simple, basic drone. And we're gonna add some drone views as well. So the drone is supposed to do about 300 meters or so. So I'm gonna try to see later whether it is likely to do that 300 meters that they are talking of. It looks like it's a lighter drone. Looks like it's a lighter drone. So I'm gonna try to see if it can reach 300 meters up. Yeah. For now, unboxing done. But there's something here. Let me see if usually as someone who haven't worked in the e-commerce space, when I buy things, I don't actually throw the packaging away like that. Maybe in case you need to return, definitely would. Some vendors will prefer that you bring back everything that came with the product, or most of the essential things that came with the product. So for now, we're gonna end the video here. The next video is going to be me trying the drone to see how effective it will work. All right, so thank you very much.